Tom and Sally are relaxing.
You look exhausted, Tom. What have you been doing?
I've been helping my granddad clear out some stuff. He's moving into a smaller flat and needs to throw things away.
What kind of things?
You won't believe the stuff he's kept. There were 3 old radios and an ancient TV.
Does he still listen to the radio?
Oh, yes. He told me the radio had brought him more pleasure than any other form of media.
But doesn't he have a computer?
Yes, of course he has. My dad gave him one years ago. He uses it for emails, but hasn't ever visited a chat room or read a blog. He doesn't agree with social networks or media sharing sites. Actually, he said he'd never visit a social network site even if you paid him.
Don't tell me he still reads newspapers.
He reads a paper every day and often buys magazines too, especially about sport or politics.
Did you manage to throw anything out?
Not much. Some printed advertisements and a couple of old radios. Oh, and the old TV because we've got him a flat screen as a present for the new flat.